Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to learn about an sound. B. Phonetic sound of B is B. B and ban. B and ban. C. Phonetic sound of C is K. K and can. K and can. F. Phonetic sound of F is F. F and fan. F and fan. L. Phonetic sound of L is L. L and lan. L and lan. M. Phonetic sound of M is M. M and man. M and man. P. Phonetic sound of P is P. P and pan. P and pan. R. Phonetic sound of R is R. R and ran. R and ran. T. Phonetic sound of T is T. T and tan. T and tan. V. Phonetic sound of V is V. V and van. V and van. Let's read a sentence together. A man in a van. A man in a van. A man in a van. Let's read it together. B and ban. C. K. K and can. D. D. D and dan. F. F. F and fan. J. J. J and jan. L. L. L and lan. M. M and man. P. P. P and pan. T. T and tan. V. V and van.